Do you waste a lot of paint in your art room? Do your students mix too much paint and they don't use it before the bell rings and end up throwing it away? We have solutions to help keep your paint fresh and eliminate waste. Keep watching. Hi, art teachers.
Hi, I'm Jackie Jablecki.
Hi, my name is Sacha Burdick.
I'm Marina Alfera.
And I am a middle school art teacher in Maryland.
I am an elementary art teacher in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
I've been teaching art for 9 years, and I'm currently teaching near Cooperstown, New York.
I'm going to be sharing with you some hacks.
I have a secret weapon that has saved my art room, tinfoil sheets. I can get this at the dollar store for $1. I can use them in 2 ways. I have them cover their palettes with those tinfoil sheets. These sheets are pre-cut, which makes it very, very easy. It keeps their paint fresh, so colors that they mix don't go to waste because they get dried out. I also have them label their paint with their names so we know exactly whose palette is whose. The other thing that I do, if they're just mixing like one quick thing, is I have them cover a dry palette without any color and they can put their paint right on there. It comes off, palette is clean and dry, this, and then go to the garbage. It has saved me so much brain power. I actually don't ask them to clean the palettes. Just let the paint dry. I just let them peel it off the plastic and then I get an even clean. It has saved my life. And the kids actually really like it. They just find it really satisfying when it pulls off in these like big booger sheets like this. They get so clean. Like these kids do such a great job cleaning the palettes now because first up, it's so easy. Get yourself some tinfoil sheets because they are very, very helpful.
My go-to way of keeping my paint fresh is by using these plastic egg containers. And they also come with a lid. There is a hole in the lid, but I just put a little duct tape over it. I usually use my liquid tempera paints in these plastic egg cartons. This will keep my paint fresh for weeks at a time. I usually only have to completely replace the paint in these once or twice a year. Another option is these plastic ice cube trays that also come with a lid. And these are great for a little bit of a smaller amount of paint. I also have done liquid watercolor in these. The paint in here stays fresh for weeks and weeks at a time. Another option that I use whenever I am mixing custom colors are single serve dressing cups that come with a lid. I also sometimes use regular egg cartons. Sometimes family will donate them. Sometimes I'll bring them from home. I cut the lid of the egg carton off because it does not keep the paint fresh because it does have holes in it. I will cover it with a wet paper towel. Then I will put another tray on top, and that will also keep my paint fresh overnight.
One art supply that I can't live without are these little paint by number pads because they help keep my paint fresh for my students, especially when they mix their own colors. They spend the whole period mixing a color and then it's time to clean up. And I haven't found a good way to store little amounts of paint. These pods keep the paint fresh for a long time. So hopefully they work out well for you too.
Tell us in the comments below, how do you keep your paint fresh?
Like this video and subscribe
so you don't miss more tip videos like this. Bye!